Hello friends, this is Srikanth from Srikanth Tech, and today right in this video we are going to unbox and take a quick look on the Xiaomi Mi Basic earphones, which is priced at $599. So let's get started. I ordered through the Mi website, so let's open the package, and it got quite damaged in the shipping as it is a quite small box. It is a 1.25 meter cable it has, and has an impedance of 32 ohms. These earphones, the packaging is quite well packed, so we can crack open the backside of the box so that we can dig into the contents of the box. Of course, it would be the earphones first. It is quite tough for me to handle it in single hand. Yes, the first thing we can see is the earphones that is covered in a plastic bracket. So we can take it out and let's keep it aside for the moment and take a look at the contents of the box. Other contents, we can also see another packet which contains the extra ear tips, that is large size and small size, as medium size are right in the earphones. That's it, the box is empty. Let's put this away and see the earphones. These earphones are also again stripped by a plastic cover, so we can rip it off. This place is crappy, right? So let us move on outside. Daylight, yes. Now, taking a close look, the enclosure of the earphone has a large indicator of right or left. It is inverted ear tips, and the fit is very tight. The headphone jack is not so fancy. It has a bottleneck finish at the end to its wire, so it doesn't break so easily. It also has a button, so single tap is play and pause, and double for next track to skip it. It is made out of plastic. The enclosure is made out of metal. Speaking of the first impression on the sounds, they pack in a lot amount of bass, and it has loudness a lot, but not comparable for both bass hits, which has more treble, more loudness, but this one has more bass. That's it for this quick impression, and please get subscribed and stay tuned for my next video. That may be the review for this one. Bye.